Tenaris has a long history of continuous improvement in all of our processes and procedures, and our focus on sustainability is an outgrowth of that. I think it's part of our role and who we want to be as a company within the community and on this planet. To manufacture what we do, it's very unusual in an industry like this to be able to do LEED certification. It's very rare. As a matter of fact, TenarisBayCity is the first green process in building in the pipe manufacturing industry. We're here nestled in the farmland of Matagorda County. We want to be very respectful of the environment that we're in. So the fact that we've done this is a testament to our commitment to minimizing the environmental impact. This is something that Tenaris made a commitment to before we ever put the first shovel into the ground. Over 5,000 contractors worked here on the site, and every single one of them had to be focused on the end goal. So we had to look at everything from where is our waste going? Do we reduce the impacts of transportation? Are we using materials that are locally sourced? There's no detail that was not considered in this. Then, as we look at the process, when we go for LEED certification, they're looking at us and saying, okay, how have you improved? How much less energy are you using compared to previous? Which means that over the course of a long period of time across multiple facilities, we looked at every single individual piece of pipe and the energy it takes to manufacture them to make sure and to demonstrate that this facility is the most efficient that we could possibly make it. Measuring LEED certification isn't just looking at the specific percentages of how much more energy efficient we are or how much less water we use. It also focuses on how we maintain the site. And what we did with this particular facility is we maintained over half of the site as open space. We remediated the site with native and adapted vegetation. We created stormwater detention ponds. All of that provides habitat for local wildlife. What we want to do is communicate this LEED certification to the community because it's a good snapshot of what we've done over the course of a number of years to make sure that we're as environmentally responsible as possible, and also to know that we fit into the environment of the community, the aesthetics of the community, and that this is a facility that the community can be proud that we're a part of them and they're a part of us.